In this tutorial, I will show you how to do an outer blur glow, like shown in the image above. First, do a background so you can see the outer glow. Select a color. Click Arrange, Send to Back. Then select the image you want the blur on. Go to Effects, Stylize, Feather. A window will pop out. Click Preview and select how much blur you want on it. Click OK. Now select the other image, click the color, and go to Effects, Stylize, Feather. Again, the window will pop out. Click Preview, and then how much you want on it. Click OK. As you can see, the image will now have an outer blurry glow matching the background.